Welcome to Cruise Industry News for February 25th, 2019. Every Monday, we post a new episode of Cruise Industry News, as well as regular postings of videos on cruise ships, ports of call, cruises themselves, and we have a new feature on this channel, Chillie Chats. If you'd like to keep up with any of those, just hit the little subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner at any time during this video. Some major cruise industry news broke earlier today as it was announced that one of the least popular cruise ports in the Bahamas is about to get a major facelift as Global Port Holdings Limited was selected as the preferred bidder to redevelop the cruise port in Nassau. The $250 million project will include berths for an additional 2 cruise ships, an auditorium for concerts that can hold up to 10,000, an outdoor movie theater, and a landmark modern new building. A tram service will transport passengers from the cruise ships to the port area, making the trip out of the port much easier and faster. Like many other folks in the cruise industry, I have long been a critic of Nassau and the Bahamas. Minister of Tourism in the Bahamas said this project will create a sense of space and openness and eliminate the harassing type environment that many cruisers face when they stop in Nassau. The port will feature open, upscale restaurants and large signs. It will have unique architectural features that will make Port Nassau iconic as a cruise destination. And at night, Port Nassau will transform with laser light shows, illuminated sculptures, and walkways that are safe. A timeline for completion of this transformation of Nassau has not yet been released. As far as I'm concerned, it can't come too quick. Carnival Triumph is on its final voyage in the Western Caribbean before it goes to Spain and starts a $200 million transformation in dry dock. The cruise ship will emerge in 2 months as the Carnival Sunrise with all new restaurants, a water park, new cabins, new adults-only retreat, a suspended ropes course, new retail spaces, and lots more. For several years now, Grand Cayman folks have been exploring different ways to eliminate the need for tendering cruise passengers from the cruise ships to the port. That is a pain in the butt for all of us. And Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and Disney have gone together to help finance a project that will build a state-of-the-art pier at the port in Grand Cayman. Awesome! After 6 straight sold-out cruises, the Country Music Cruise will be back in 2020 with a lineup that includes Larry the Cable Guy, the Oak Ridge Boys, Randy Owen, Tracy Lawrence, and 20 other all-star performers. The cruise will be on the New Amsterdam and will depart from Fort Lauderdale, Florida on January 25th, 2020 for 7 nights in the Eastern Caribbean. And finally for today, Norwegian Cruise Line has rolled out its new premium beverage packages and new pricing. The ultimate beverage package will be $118.80 per person per day, and the Premium Plus package will be $153.60 per person per day. I don't think I'm going to be buying them anytime soon. That wraps up Cruise Industry News for February 25th, 2019. If you'd like to keep up with the weekly episodes of Cruise Industry News, the latest in cruise ships, ports of call, cruises themselves, and the new feature, Chillie Chats, just hit the little subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. And hopefully, we'll see you on a cruise real soon.